cluster cable and coils. And the winner is Schleuniger Transfer Line Family S70. The modular design allows extremely high flexibility in the configuration of the platform. One huge advantage is that it can be expanded on-site, on the customer's factory floor. Another advantage is that one platform configuration can be used for coaxial and multi-conductor applications without changing the stations on the platform. This saves time-consuming retooling, reduces the error rate and rejects, and ensures consistent high quality. The usual problems of stripping insulation and foil are solved by this new stripping technology. Thanks to the platform's full software integration, all work steps, as well as product and production data, can be tracked.
Hello, it's of course a great honor for us, and we are very happy that we could win the Innovation Award given by Messe München, because this is really a great confirmation for us that we believe on the right way to help the industry and our customers with this new platform for automation to produce high voltage wire harnesses in a more efficient way for the future.